You can see your living and dining is very spacious. We have your kitchen space where you can see you have two platforms. You can place a king size bed. You can easily design. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project by Solstice by the buyer company located in Marol, Andheri East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office where you can also see the actual land parcel and the construction is in full swing. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3.5 acres that has two towers, that is elevated with 4 basement plus ground plus 20 residential floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have a half Olympic sized swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, mini theatre, banquet hall, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Makhwana opposite Vasant Oasis, Marol, from where Metro is only at a distance of 5 minutes walk, Aqua Metro is also only at a distance of 5 minutes walk, Andheri railway station is at a distance of 15 minutes and you have International Airport at a distance of 10 minutes. Also, school, colleges, hospital is within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties of the project, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are standing at the 3 BHK of the residential project Solstice. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1499 square feet. As you saw, I entered, there was a very spacious foyer area, and this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see your living and dining is very spacious. You have plenty of walkable space. Even after placing all your furniture, you can address a gathering of 10 to 15 people at the same time. This area is that spacious. You can see you can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV units. Also, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs or your swings. And this over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meals with your friends and family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, kitchen and common washroom. First, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you can see you have two platforms. Your kitchen is also very spacious. You have space provided to place your refrigerator where you can easily fit a double door fridge. Also, you have a utility area where you can place your washing machine. And to respect your privacy, you also have a servant washroom. Moving forward towards the bedrooms, diagonally opposite to your kitchen, we have your first bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king size bed along with your side tables. You have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You have wardrobe space provided that is very spacious. You can also build lofts if you want. You can see you have full French windows, and on this side we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward to the other bedrooms, on this side we have your powder washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Opposite to your powder washroom is your second bedroom that you can see is even more spacious as the previous one. You can place your king size bed. You can also design a beautiful seating corner. You have walkable space after placing all your furniture. This can be your wardrobe corner that you can design by yourself. Also, again, you will be getting full French windows in this bedroom. And to the right of the entrance of the bedroom is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, as we have entered the most spacious master bedroom of this 3 BHK, you can see you have wardrobe space provided on both the sides that will give you a beautiful walk-in wardrobe look. You can customize your makeup corner over here, and this right over here is the entrance to a private washroom that is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. You can also place a bathtub in this washroom if you want. And this is the space of a most spacious master bedroom. You can place a king size bed. You can easily design a study corner as well. Also, once again, you will be getting full French windows in this master bedroom. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Solstice. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Solstice by the buyer company located in Marol, Andheri East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.